This is a video recording of this schnauzer, male neutered 10 years old, with scales and some pain in the left ear. Now this part is the one due to, according to the owner, due to biting, and the other side is like
here too. He's been biting here.
Biting here. So yeah. So from there I know that it's not due to fungus because normally it's a traumatic injury, and then the anus glands were full of dark oil. Today is January 25th, 2017. This dog was adopted from the shelter, and last month I advised the owner to go to the groomer to get the dog shaved bald. Bald means 100% because of generalized ringworm, and the owner told the groomer, but the groomer said that dog should never shave the head, and should never shave the tail. So as you can see, the ringworm lesions have not fully been resolved because there are infected hairs, and there are such groomers in Singapore where they wouldn't listen to the owner not to shave completely bald, and they prefer to give their own mark, that is leaving the hair on the head and neck and on the tail. So in this case, the owner couldn't wash properly the areas affected, and so there are some parts which you can still see ringworm. For example, here you can see a ringworm, and then here, and in many cases a generalized ringworm, you cannot just depend on one treatment. Sometimes you need to treat more than one time, and have to review it. Yeah. As far as the owner is concerned, he said the dog had stopped scratching and there was no more ringworm. But actually, if you look at it, there are the ringworm. But the owner came in for a complaint of this vaginal licking. There are pustules there, and you can see one ringworm spot here, there. One ringworm spot, another ringworm spot. She applied some aloe vera cream, but it didn't resolve the problem. So sometimes trying to save money is not possible, and it's best to get the dog reviewed 1 month after treatment rather than to do your own diagnosis. And in this case, the groomer didn't really help the owner in shaving the dog bald. So you can see that certain parts are still getting the new ringworm, so that's why it's itchy. Toa Payoh Vets, January 25 to 7. So there's still about 20% ringworm left in this dog. So the treatment needs to be continued.
I checked with the groomer, but they said they did, but I'm not sure whether they did. No, they didn't.
Otherwise it won't be black. Black means licking there. You see, so licking. And below also black, you see the anus also black. Huh? This one also is rubbing, due to rubbing the dog bite here now.
I think she licks all over the place.
She's sterilized, right?
Yes.
Yeah, at least something can